Hi, in this episode of Toysbackzen, we're going to be taking a look at these Marvel Go on a Mission in the Loblaw Universe cards. These are free at our local grocery stores, and in this video we're going to talk about them. So my wife went to our local grocery store. It's owned by the Loblaw company, which owns a lot of stores here in Canada. We've got No Frills, Atlantic Superstore, Real Canadian Superstore, Fortino's, Loblaws, and Zayres. And these cards are given out for free if you spend $25 in the store. There's also your independent grocery store, Value Mart, Shoppers Drug Mart, Loblaw's City Market. So she brought a whole bunch of them back. They were pretty much just giving them out in big handfuls, and we got some. Now I opened some up already. So we have Namor, and it has their intelligence, power, and courage. Each card has its own unique number, and there's about a total of 90 cards in the set. But they're pretty much giving them out in handfuls, so I don't think it would take much to get the whole series. So we have Namor. We also have powers. I think this is a card game. I'm not sure. There's no information on the cards that tells you what it is, but I do know for $5 you can buy a collector's book that goes with these. It probably has the details in that book. So we have a power card here, +1. This is number 62. Number 73, we have Red Skull. Number 18, we have Ant-Man. And there are doubles in here. There are more than one Ant-Man, but the picture is different and the number is different. So this is 18. He's on a flying ant, I guess. We have Akoi. I'm not sure how to say that, but that's who it is. Number 84. We have Korg, number 75. Thanos, number 51. And then we have a courage card, +3 is number 17. Doctor Strange, number 7. I like that one actually a lot. I really like how they did the artwork for Doctor Strange. Black Panther. Patriot, number 19. Drax, number 50. We've got Groot. We have Intelligence, +1. Here's the other Ant-Man. This is what I'm talking about. It's just Ant-Man by himself, number 28. We have Yondu, number 67. So you can let me know in the comments if I'm saying any of these wrong. We have the Infinity Gauntlet, number 29. I think that's a cool card. We have Wasp. She's cool, number 9. We have another Courage card, number 88. It's +3 Courage. And you can see we have Black Panther there. And then we have Captain Marvel. This is a holo card. Really cool. This is probably one of my favorite cards. I like the expression on her face. Her hair is blowing in the wind. And of course, we've got that holographic that shines when you move it in the light. And this is Captain Marvel. She looks really cool. Number 38. So there's holo cards in here too. Let's open up the rest of these packs and see what's in there. So they're perforated already. You just open them up like that, and I think from what I can tell there's 2 cards per side. So we have another Drax and my first Iron Man, and this is a holo card. So we have Drax and a holo Iron Man, number 65 and number 55. I like that. So I got 2 holos. Look at the holos on their own there. So getting 4 cards in one pack, you get quite a few cards if they give you like 5 or 6 packs. My wife pretty much got around, I think around 15 packs from what I can tell. 15, 20 packs. So the next 2 we have, nice, Incredible Hulk, and we have a +1 Intelligence. 63 and 44. I was also online just to see if people were selling these like on Marketplace or anything like that. And people are pretty much giving them away. So we have a +1 power and a Nebula, number 66. Number 26, that Nebula is really cool. She has a lot of intelligence, power, and courage. She's almost equal all the way up the bars. Now, I would assume because it has the intelligence, courage, and power cards that this must be some kind of game. I'll have to do my research to find out. Maybe I'll learn how to play it. I have another Doctor Strange, which is a double for me, and I have the Collector. I like that. Number 69, the Collector. Number 7, Doctor Strange. We have Black Panther, number 10, and Peter Quill, number 53. So we have 41 Vision, and we have a +2 Intelligence, number 36. Another Infinity Gauntlet, number 29, and another Yondu, number 67. So we're starting to see some repeats here. So getting the whole collection probably will take a while, and you'll get a bunch of repeats. We had another Doctor Strange, 7, and here's our first Rocket Raccoon, number 48. We have a +2 Courage with Black Panther on it again. And our first Captain America, number 8. I believe that was our first Captain America. And he's got a full bar of courage there. So that's the first time I recall seeing that. Another Patriot and another Black Panther. So number 19, 83. So I think this is the second Black Panther. We've got 2 different Black Panther cards so far, I believe. Yeah, so you can see that 2 different backgrounds and 2 different poses there. 2 more. So we get 4 cards on each one. So we have 8 more cards to look at. We have Red Skull, which is a double. And this is my first +2 Courage, number 85. I don't believe I've seen this one before. Next, we have a +1 Power, which we have this one already. And we have a Ms. Marvel. It's the first Ms. Marvel, I believe, that we've gotten. And this is a holo card. So we can see that the holo cards are pretty much 1 out of 10 cards. I'll have to figure out how many cards I have. And then so far I have 3 holos. I have a Ms. Marvel, Iron Man, and Captain Marvel. And we'll have to see what the average is for the holo cards. Last 4, we have another Captain America and a Korg. These are doubles, number 08, number 75, and a guitar pick. That must have been in the packs, probably on a table when I brought them downstairs. So there you go. There's those 2. Let's see what we have in our last 2. Hopefully they're not doubles. Drax and, oh, we have Jane Foster, number 60. So Drax, number 50, and a new one, Jane Foster. So that's awesome. So let me tally up how many cards we have, and we'll see what the average is of holos that we get. So here we go. We've got all of the stat cards on the top. We've got 3 holo cards, and several doubles, which I put out here so you can see that the doubles are here. I didn't stack them evenly. And we have a triple Doctor Strange, and we've got a couple Infinity Gauntlets, which is cool. So on the average, I've got 76 cards here. I had 19 packs, and I have 3 holos. So it's about 4% average are going to be holos, which is a pretty good average actually. So I'm excited. I hope to get some more of these cards. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you're in Canada, you've been getting these cards and what you think of them. So please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.